How do you get more eyes on your Fiverr gig? I'll tell you how not to get more eyes on your Fiverr gig. Come up with a long, boring description and people will just leave. Look, you need a good description to sell them. If I tried to sell you a chair and I said, look at this great chair, it's comfortable and it's never been used, I'd say stop right there. Why would I want this chair anyway? In today's video, I'll give you the tools to writing a better Fiverr description, so stay tuned. But first, welcome to the Side Hustle Pursuit channel, the channel that helps you become the entrepreneur you were born to be, and of course, prepare you for leaving that boring 9-to-5. So, be sure to subscribe so you're up to date on our latest videos. Now, buckle up and let's get started. Starting with number 1, building trust. Your job initially should be building trust with your audience. That means using the right words in your description. Your words would not only tell them who you are, but how they can benefit from your gig. Keep things very clear when explaining things, as basic is your best approach. If I said, this gig will teach you how to optimize your Facebook page in order to receive the best in terms of built-in SEO with Facebook, well, it would be better to explain it in more simple terms, as one may be able to understand, especially if there are issues with specific terms. Rewritten, I might say, this gig is for those looking to get more traffic on their Facebook page. Facebook has their own built-in SEO, which helps those find you based on certain keywords. I can help you make the most out of your Facebook page using the top keywords in your niche, so you may be found. It's a bit wordy, but get used to writing things out that anyone can understand. And always take the time to proofread everything. There's nothing worse than having multiple mistakes your audience may be able to point out. Be professional and look everything over before saving. So, number 1 is building trust. And in building trust, you're detailed about your description, but keep it basic and not complicated. Tell them exactly what you do. Number 2, experience. Experience counts when it comes to letting the visitor know what you have invested in the gig. No one wants to hear all the companies you've worked for or just the amount of years you've been doing it. Let them know with your help they can get further faster. Words of encouragement, words that tell them you've got their back and you know what they're going through. No matter the struggle, you want to help them. It's important to convey this. Putting in a bunch of things like a list of accomplishments may turn them down right away. Think of yourself in terms of speaking with a friend. What would you say to them? Number 3, client guarantee of satisfaction. You may have already seen these type of gigs that offer unlimited revisions. Their goal is to make sure you are completely happy with the offer. Make no mistake, by doing this, they'll consider you are the type of person that not only cares, but wants a customer to be happy. After all, this could reflect in the feedback, and no one wants bad feedback. Anyways, always offer the client to ask questions and mention if you have a portfolio to share of any kind, share it with them. If they are told they have the ability to ask questions, well, that sometimes knocks down a wall of that initial conversation. So we learned a few things here, but I have to mention when it comes to keywords, the keywords you use in your title, you can reiterate in your description. You can use the best keywords a few times and really make it count. Avoid taking anyone else's description and copying it. This could lead to trouble with your account, and you don't want that. Do research as what may be working well for others, but by all means, never copying someone else's description. Let's sum up the 3 things that'll get you rocking your new Fiverr description. Number 1, building trust. Number 2, experience. And number 3, client guarantee of satisfaction. I hope you got a lot out of those 3 tips and start writing some really great Fiverr descriptions. There'll be more videos like this to come, so be sure to subscribe for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next one.